Hello friends, you are watching ISC Mathematics and we are solving the fourth exercise of chapter number 4 determinants ISC Mathematics. If you have not subscribed yet my channel ISC Mathematics, please do subscribe and like my videos. Okay, now let us move further. In the last class we have solved the question fourth of question number 4. As all the questions are similar, we will solve very selected questions. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Okay, let me write down the equation. Okay, it is given that 0x plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 0. X plus 3y plus 0z is equal to minus 4. And 3x plus 4y plus 0z is equal to 3. Okay, now first we'll find the calculate determinant D, a determinant involving the coefficients of x, y, z. Okay, so row wise entries are 0, 2, minus 3, 1, 3, 0 and 3, 4, 0. Now expanding along third column, because third column contains two zeros, therefore minus 3, 1, 3, 3, 4, minus 3 into 4 minus 9, so minus 3 into minus 5 is equal to 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? So value of D we got to be 15. Now let us calculate dx. Okay, now we know in finding dx the first column will be replaced by the constant. So first column will be 0, minus 4, 3. Second and third column will be as it is. Okay, now again expanding along third column. So minus 3, minus 4, 3, 3, 4. Okay, so 75, value of dx we got to be 75. Okay, now let us find out dy and then dz. Okay, so if you want to calculate dy, the second column of d will be replaced by 0, minus 4 and 3. Yes or no? And now we will expand along. Okay, dy 0, 1, 3, second column is 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? That will be replaced by 0, minus 4, 3 and the third column is minus 3, 0, 0 only. Okay, now expanding along first row. Okay, so we have minus 3 into determinant 1 minus 4, 3, 3. So minus 3 into 3 1s are 3 plus 4 3s are 12. So minus 3 into 15 is equal to minus 45. So value of dy is minus 45. And finally we will calculate dz. Okay, so dz 0, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4 and the third column will be replaced by now constants. Yes or no? Expanding along first row. So minus 2 into 1 minus 4, 3, 3. Minus 2 into 3 plus 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 into 15 is equal to minus 30. So we got the value of dz. This is dz. Yes or no? Now we can calculate x, y, z respectively. Okay, now dx upon d. Okay, dx is 75 upon d is 15. 15 5s are, then y is equals to dy upon d. dy is minus 45. Okay, this is equals to minus 3 and z is equal to dz upon d. So minus 30 upon 15 is equals to minus 2. So we got the values of x, y, z to be 5, minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, now this question number 6 is over. Now let us solve question number 8. Okay, question number 8, first one. Question number 8. X minus y plus z is equal to, okay, minus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 4 we will transpose on the right hand side, so it will be plus 4. Again 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0, and x plus y plus z, 2x plus 1, okay, x plus y plus z minus 2, if you transpose you will get plus 2. Okay, now we will solve the system of equations. We will find out d first. Okay, 1 2 1 minus 1 1 and 1 minus 3 1. Okay, let us expand along. First row, so 1 into, okay, 1 ones are 1 plus 3 plus 1 into 2 ones are 2 plus 3 plus 1 into 2 ones are 2 minus 1, 3 plus 1 4 ones are 4, 3 plus 2 5 ones are 5 and plus 1, so 10. Okay, so this is the value of d. D we got to be 10. Now dx. Okay, first column will be replaced by 402. 402 minus 1 1, 1 minus 3 1. Expanding along first column. Okay, so 4 into 1 plus 3 plus 2 into 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 4s are 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So value of dx is 20. Now we will calculate dy. Okay, second column of d will be replaced by 402, 1 minus 3 1. Okay, expanding along second column. Okay, because we have 1 0 in the second column, so we will expand along the second column. So minus 4 into, let me write down the determinant, 2 minus 3 1 1 minus 2 into determinant will be 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3. So minus 4 into 2 plus 3 minus 3 minus 2, 3 plus 2 5 4 za. Okay, plus minus 5 minus 2 plus 10, so we got minus 10. This is the value dy is minus 10. Okay, now finally we will find out dz is equal to 1 to 1 minus 1 1 1 and 4 0 2. Now let us expand along third column. Okay, expanding along third column, so 4 into 2 1 1 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 2 1 is equal to 4 plus 2. Okay, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6 equals 10. So value of dz is 10 only. Clear? So now we can calculate x, y, z. X is equal to dx by d. Okay, dx is 20 upon 10 is equal to 2. Y is equal to dy by d. dy is 10 upon 10 is equal to 1 and z is equal to dz by d. Okay, dz is 10 upon 10, so again z is 1, so value of x is 2 while y and z are 1 1 each. Question number 8. Okay, so here some mistake we have done. Actually dy is minus 10, yes or no? So minus 1 will come. Clear? So let us make it minus, because value of dy is minus 10. So x is 2, y is minus 1 and z is 1. Okay, so question number 8 is over. All the questions are similar, so 9th and 10th I am not doing. Now, and question number 11 also similar, Cramer's rule only we have to solve. So question number 12 onwards now we will start. Okay, question number 12. X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus y minus 3 and 3x plus y minus 2 equals 0. Okay, we have to show that the system is consistent. Carefully observe that you will find that this is a system of 3 equations in 2 unknowns. Yes or no? So recall the condition for the consistency. Okay, d must be equal to 0. Okay, so here we will find out the determinant d to be equal to 0. Okay, and therefore let us calculate determinant d. 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, 2 minus 1 minus 3 and 3 1 minus 2. Clear? Okay, now expanding along first column. Okay, so 1 into 2 ones are 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 2 twos are 4 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 twos are 6 minus 3. Okay, so 2 plus 3, 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 2s are minus 14 and 6 minus 3 will be 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we got 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, and therefore determinant D is equal to 0. Therefore system of equations is consistent. Clear? So this system of equations is consistent. Okay, now question number 13. Find the value of k so that the following equations are consistent. Okay, question number 13. We have 4x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0, 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0, and kx minus 7y plus 3 equals 0. Okay, it is given that given system of equations is consistent. Given system of equations is consistent and therefore D is equal to 0. Therefore determinant 4 3k minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 and minus 1 1 3 equal to 0. Expanding along the first column, expanding along first column. Okay, 4 into 4 3s are 12 plus 7. Okay, minus 3 3 3s are minus 9 and minus 7 plus k into minus 3 minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, okay, minus 12 plus 7 will be minus 5. 4 into minus 5 will be minus 20, and 9 plus 7 16 3s are 48, and minus 7k equal to 0. 48, so 28 is equal to 7k and therefore k is equal to 4. So value of k is 4. Clear? So question number 13 is also over. Okay, again question number 15 is similar. Even question number 16 is similar, but still we will solve question number 16. Okay, so let us solve question number 16. Okay, we have to find the value of lambda. The system of equations is given to be consistent. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 plus lambda into x plus 2 plus lambda into y minus 8 equals 0, and lambda x minus 1 plus lambda y plus 2 plus lambda plus 2 plus lambda equals 0. Okay, now you are given that this system of equations is consistent, it means the determinant is 0. So we will write down that for a consistent system, okay, determinant D, that is 1 plus lambda 1, 2 plus lambda. Have I taken down the proper question? Let me check once again. X plus y minus 3, yes, it is right only. Okay, 2 plus lambda and then minus 1 plus lambda. Okay, then we have minus 3 minus 8 and 2 plus lambda. Okay, we will, rather than simplifying, we will directly expand. So expanding along first row. So let us expand along the first row. So we have 1 into, okay, 1 plus lambda into 1 plus lambda will be minus 1 plus lambda the whole square. Yes or no? Minus 1 plus lambda the whole square minus lambda into, okay, sorry, 1 into 2 plus lambda into 2 plus lambda will be 2 plus lambda the whole square minus 8 into 1 plus lambda, then minus 1 into 1 plus lambda into 2 plus lambda minus 8 lambda, minus plus 8 lambda. Okay, then plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus lambda the whole square minus lambda into 2 plus lambda equals 0. Now let us simplify. Therefore, okay, over here 4 plus 4 lambda plus lambda square minus 8 lambda minus lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 8 lambda minus 3 into minus 1 minus 2 lambda minus lambda square minus 2 lambda minus lambda square equals 0. Okay, now further simplifying. Let us further simplify. So minus lambda square 8 plus 3 11 minus lambda square minus 11 lambda minus 2. Again we have all the signs will be positive, so plus lambda square, yes or no, minus 2 minus 4, so minus plus. Okay, and 3 is there in multiplication, so let us not forget. Okay, wait, second one we are doing. Okay, so minus lambda square, that is right, we have to open the bracket, we'll change the sign, minus lambda square, this one. Okay, 8 plus 3 11. I think we have done some mistake in the simplification. The first bracket is this, yes or no? So if you solve lambda square, then 4 minus 8, let us write down lambda square, 4 lambda minus 8 lambda minus 4 lambda, and 4 minus 8 will be minus 4. Again lambda square, so minus lambda square, because outside we have minus 8 plus 3 11, so minus 11 lambda and minus 2. Okay, again here minus lambda minus 2 lambda square and into minus 3, so minus plus 3 to 6 lambda square. Again minus 2 minus 4, 4 3 12, so plus 12 lambda and minus plus 3, okay, done, equals 0. So plus lambda square minus lambda square will get cancelled. 12 minus 11, 1, plus 1 minus 4 minus 3. So we have 6 lambda square minus 3 lambda, and constant terms are minus 6 plus 3, so minus 3 equals 0. If you take 3 common, 2 lambda square minus lambda, okay, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 lambda plus lambda minus 1. Okay, let us take common 2 lambda, lambda minus 1 plus 1, lambda minus 1. Therefore, lambda minus 1 into 2 lambda plus 1. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1, or lambda is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So we have got the two values of lambda. One is 1 and the another is minus 1 by 2. This was question number 16. Clear? So I hope you have understood this one. Okay, now similarly question number 16. Okay, using to solve the following system of equations, we have to solve the system of equations. So let us solve this one. ISC 2002 question number 17. Okay, now let us solve question number 17. Okay, using Cramer's rule, we have to solve the following system of equations. Question number 17. We are given x minus y and z1, z term is not there, so 0, z is equal to 1. Then x plus z, so x plus 0y plus z is equal to minus 6, and third one is x plus y minus 2z is equal to 3. We have to use the Cramer's rule to solve this system of equations. We will first calculate the value of d. 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 1, and 1 1 minus 2. Okay, let us expand along first row. Okay, so 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1, to minus 3 is equal to minus 4. So value of d we got to be minus 4. Now we will calculate dx. Okay, first column will be replaced by the constants. 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6, 3. Second and third column as it is. Again we will expand along. First row. Okay, so 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 6 2s are 12 minus 3. So minus 1 plus 9 is equals to 8. So we got dx to be 8. Now let us calculate dy. Second column will be replaced by the constants. 1 minus 6 3. First column 1 1 1 as it is. Second column 1 minus 6 3, and third column is 0 1 minus 2. Again expanding along first row. Okay, so far we have got d and dx. Now let us find out and dz. Okay, so 1 into 6 to the 12 minus 3 minus 1 into 1 to the minus 2 minus 1 is equal to, okay, here 1 into 6 to the it is 12. Okay, 12 minus 3 9 and minus 2 minus 3 minus minus plus 3. Okay, so we got 12 value of dy. Okay, dy is 12. Now let us calculate dz. So dz is equal to 111 minus 101 and constant term will take the third column. Yes or no? Expanding along second column. Expanding along second column. Okay, so minus minus plus 1 into determinant will be 1 minus 6 1 3 and minus 1 into determinant will be 1 1 1 minus 6. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 plus 6 minus 1 into minus 6 minus 1, so 9 minus plus 7. Okay, so we'll get dz to be 16. Now we can calculate dx or x, y and z. X will be given by dx upon d. Okay, dx is 8 upon minus 4 minus 2. Y is equal to dy by d. Okay, so dy is 12 upon minus 4 minus 3 and z is equal to dz by d. So dz we got to be 16 upon minus 4. So value of z is minus 4. Clear? So question number 17 is over. Now let us solve the next question. That is question number 18, the last question of this exercise and also this chapter. Okay, question number 18. We are given a system of equations. We have to check whether the system is consistent or not. 2x plus 2y is equal to 5. 3x plus 3y equals 10. And 5x plus 5y equals 16. Okay, let us write down in the standard form 2x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0, 3x plus 3y minus 10 equals 0 and 5x plus 5y minus 16 equals 0. Now we will calculate the value of d. The determinant 2, 2 minus 5, 3, 3 minus 10 and 5, 5 minus 16. Okay, if you observe the determinant, you will notice that first and second column are identical and therefore the value of the determinant will be 0 since C1 is equal to C2 and therefore system is given system of equations is inconsistent. Clear? So this was the last question of this exercise. chapter is over. I hope you have understood all the concept, all the topics of this chapter very well, whether it is the expansion of determinants 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, or finding the values of determinant with the help of or using the properties of determinants, or applications in the coordinate geometry, or applications in finding this solutions of the simultaneous system of simultaneous linear equations. Yes or no? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. And in the next video we will start new chapter. Thank you very much.